Welcome to another little hiking trip. Steve Dog's Hiking Tales. Where are we to today, bye? Have a look on the map and I'll show you some of the scenes. There's the view in front of us, folks. This is Ansteys Cove. That there, down there, is actually called Long Rock Quarry, I think. It's beautiful, isn't it? We're going to head across the footpath. Miss out this actually, but look down from above, and then we'll probably head down towards Barbican Beach. I might have a dip, you never know, and then on we'll go from there. This is the view you get to pay you back for the walk you've just done. So, looking down on Long Rock. Oh, did a bit of paddle boarding down here. Absolutely fantastic. And then on we go. Around the corner is a cove called Hope Cove, and then you go on to Hope's Nose. But in a minute, I would imagine we'll be walking across that headland, so the views are only going to go from the amazing to the even more spectacular. Walking up from Ansteys Cove, we then walked across Barbican Downs and we're presented with this view in front of us. So this is of course Lime Bay, and eventually you go around to past Lyme Regis, and eventually you get right around to Weymouth and Portland Bill. But if I just zoom in a little bit here, these are the red cliffs where I sometimes go paddleboarding. Right in the middle of the screen now is the Ness, so that's a headland by the mouth of the River Tean. Now right in the middle of the screen is that's where I call Leaning Rocks, that's between Teignmouth and Dawlish. And now right in the middle of the screen is Langstone Rock, and I'm going to try and zoom in, and if I can hold this steady enough, Langstone Rock's right in the middle. Eventually get across the downs and be faced with a steep decline, not an incline, decline. Of course everything that goes down has to come back up again, as they say. So we're going to be blowing later on, but we're heading down towards Barbican Beach now. Bit of a steep little path, but ruddy exciting. So really and truly, folks, as it's last week in January, better get in for a swim. Yeah, let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to try, folks, and go out around that buoy and back. That'll be fun, won't it? Probably not, but I'm going to do it anyway. Let's see what it's like then, folks. It can be bloody freezing, I know that, but what the hell. That'll do. That'll definitely do. Whew. There you go, folks. Just remember, if you go in the cold water, it's only a sensation on the skin and nothing to let your body go into shock about. That was alright, a couple of minutes. On we go for a walk, heading towards Oddicombe Beach. Oddicombe Beach in front of us now, and a steep walk up a hill by the look of things. This is going to be a tough one. Let's do it. Hear that? That is the song, The Male Great Tit. Yeah, that sort of. Got it? On we go. Of course we had to go down, so you got to come back up. We are following the Oddicombe Babbacombe Cliff Railway up, and as you would imagine, it's blooming steep. Underneath the railway, I want to see if I get a better view there. Oh. That's our round from Ansteys down to Babbacombe Beach, Oddicombe Cliff Railway, Babbacombe Downs and back route. That'll take you, I don't know, a couple of hours probably if you take your time. And have a dip as well. I think I left something in the water back there. Catch you guys next time for more Steve Dog paddleboarding. No, hiking tales. I couldn't have said it better myself.